So we want the tallest zero from this standing on its feet.
Tuseme mimi nataka kuchora nyumba hivi. Hii ni yangu. Tuchore nyumba hapa si haya? Line moja tu. Aya, patia mwenzako. Aya, huyo amechora yake. Huyo amechora line yake. What? One line.
It is the mindset of stepping forward out of your comfort zone to challenge yourself, to try and find something to do and use the least resources available to make that decision and to make something. That is what is going to be the lesson of today, and it's going to be at an individual level. So,
the skills we have, the experience that we have, we can change our world. And we are here to ask you to do the same. With what you have, can you change your world?
You start by adding value to yourself. By what you read, what you watch, who you talk to, and who you consult. You begin by adding value. Money is a reward for, but that value has to be added to who? So, kwa business yako, nothing will change until the pain of remaining the same is greater than the pain of change.
What is money? Pesa ni nini? It's a medium of exchange. Another meaning? Measure of value. Umesema pesa ni sabuni ya roho. Pesa otas. Pesa otas. You inamaanisha? Or it's just a paper? Imagine huwa nasema pesa otas, nafikiria mnasema ni pesa mingi. Money is power. Let me give you my understanding of money. Money is reward for value added. What does that mean? Mbona huwa tunalipa carpenters? Na miti ni bure? Ameongeza value.
The higher you want to go, the deeper the foundation has to be. So kama wewe ni plumber, unafaa kujiuliza, how do I add value? Ukitaka kujiseparate na kila mtu, wewe kama plumber unafaa kujiuliza, what is different?
So ukitaka kutengeneza pesa mingi unafaa kufanya nini? Tafuta, how can I make more value? You cannot dominate, you cannot multiply if you're doing business alone.
In life, kuna circles tatu. Kuna kitu inaitwa circle of control. Ni vitu ambazo wewe unaweza control. Wewe ndio utadecide what you read, what you watch, who you talk to. Alafu kuna ingine inaitwa circle of influence. Circle of influence ni zile vitu ambazo based on your actions, ukifungua biashara yako mpaka saa 4 usiku, inamaanisha watu watakupata, customers watakuja. Ukidecide kustock a certain product as opposed to another one, watu watakuja wachukue. Then the last one inaitwa circle of concern. Ni zile vitu ambazo we care about them, but hakuna kitu tunaweza fanya. My message is, let us mind our business.
Like now, if I want a cleaner to clean this hall, how long would I take to get a cleaner? Less than a minute. Why? Because there are many. So what does that do to the amount of money you can earn? Inakuwa kidogo. Ukiwa na hiyo siria, mimi natoanga stains. Bei yako inaenda juu. You will go to the next level, which we call it the organizers level. Sasa umekuwa so special that people are looking for you. Wanataka kupatia kazi. Si utaanza kutafuta watu wengine mfanye nao. Already you become a what? An employer. So pesa inaanza nini? Kuongezeka. So you pay people to work. Hapo ndio utapata managers, entrepreneurs, bei yao iko juu. Then kuna watu wengine, these ones wanaitwa communicators. When you use your words, then you become a communicator. You earn more. Why? Because with your word, you can do much more with less sweat and blood. And finally, we have the innovators. Our society, they are the highest level of income. How do you want to pata pesa mingi? Because they're adding value at the highest level. Innovator ni mtu ametengeneza kitu. The whole country is using it, all, even the world. So, how many innovators are we going to have from this Siaya county?
For us to achieve something, for us to set out to go and do something, we must also be keen listeners. So that we listen to what is relevant for us. Because at the end of the day, ni wewe peke yako. Si ndio? Asanteni sana wananchi. Thank you so much.